welcome back to another math tutorial. Find the height of a tree if the angle of elevation each top changes from 20 degrees to 40 degrees as the observer advances 75 foot toward its base. Now, how to solve this one? First, of course, we have to draw a rough sketch of a tree. If this is the ground, and here is the tree, here is a man observing here, an observer. Now, initially, he's standing here and he's observing at the top of the tree with an angle of elevation of 20 degrees. Now, he's moving towards the base of the tree. So, from the original point, he's moving towards at around 75 feet. So, from here to here, he's moving around 75 feet towards the base of the tree. Now, if we will designate this one from here to here, we'll designate as D, as the distance. Okay? And then, so, it's moving from initial point towards the tree at around 75 feet. And the angle of elevation is 40 degrees. So, at the point of 75 feet, he's measuring again the angle of elevation at the top of the tree, which is equal to 40 degrees. Now, as we know, angle, how we call it as an angle? Because it is a space between the two intersecting lines. That's why we call it an angle. So, observing on top of the tree, that is the angle of elevation. So, initially, it is 20 degrees, then it's moving towards the base of the tree at around 75 feet, and is observing the angle of elevation at 75 feet, which is equal to 40 degrees. Now, what is required here is the height of the tree. We designate as HT. So, from here, we can solve it using the tangent function, because here, we have the height of the tree, and here we have, at least we have the angle, and we have this given distance, at least we can use the tangent function. Now, tangent function is equal to, tangent, for example, 20 degrees is equal to, of course, the tangent is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. So, the opposite, which is equal to height of the tree, over the adjacent, which is equal to, from here to here is equal to 75 feet plus the distance. So, we can have it as equation 1. Now, again, because our purpose is to find the height of the tree, we can also solve also from tangent 40 degrees. See, tangent 40 degrees is equal to the height, the opposite, the height of the tree over the distance. This, we have the equation 2. See, from here, from tangent 40 degrees, because, see, the more we move towards the tree, the more the angle of elevation will become bigger. But the farther it will become, the angle of elevation will be smaller. So, here, because we have the height of the tree and we have the height of the tree here, also we can equate these two by cross multiplication, and cross multiplication on this one, we see, for example, in equation 1. Equation 1 is tangent of 20 degrees, which is equal to height over the 75 plus D. Therefore, cross-multiplying this one, HD therefore is equal to 75 tangent of 20 degrees plus the distance times tangent of 20 degrees. That is the height one. The height. Then another one, we can also solve height from this equation to HT therefore is equal to, by cross multiplying, D times tangent 40 degrees. Now equating these two, therefore D tangent of 40 degrees is equal to 75 tangent 20 degrees plus distance times tangent of 20 degrees. Now here, we can solve the distance between this side going to the tree. We can solve this one. Of course, you have to use the scientific calculator because if we are we're solving angles, we have to use scientific calculator. So, simplifying this one, so from this equation, after solving it using the scientific calculator, the distance therefore is equal to the distance from here, from this point to the base of the tree is equal to D, which is equal to 57.47 feet. Now, since we have already the distance, we can solve now the height of the tree by using this equation 2 or equation 1. Either because we have HT and we have also the HT here, height of the the tree. Now therefore, or after simplifying, height of the tree therefore is equal to D tangent of 40. Substituting the value of D, therefore, the height of the tower we are looking for is equal to the distance, which is equal to 57.47 multiplied by the tangent of 40 degrees. Therefore, height of the tree is equal to 48.22 feet. Yun ang hinahanap natin. The height of the tree. Now, kailangan talaga natin intindihin na pag sabihin na angle elevation, yung tumitingin pataas, kung sino ba yung observer tumitingin pataas, yun, pa-elevate yung angle. Pero kung nandito ka sa taas, tapos titingin ka sa baba, alam na natin na, no, angle of depression yan. So, elevation, depression, if you're looking down. Bago nga pala ako mag-in ng video ko, gusto ko lang munang magpasalamat sa mga taong tumutulong sa akin during my journey sa YouTube channel. Kasi kung wala kayo, mga subscribers, lalo na ang Team Palaban at saka ang Team Baloy, kung wala kayo, hindi ko sana agad makamit yung gusto kong maabot ba yung maging monetize ang channel ko. So, anyways, thank you guys for watching.